guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is very exciting because this is a Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna have the same outfit on for 2 videos. This is actually my Simba shirt. And yes, guys, I did get my hair rebraided, and I got a big old head, so I'm sorry, y'all. I got a big old head, and with weight loss, my head looks even bigger now, so apologize in advance. But yeah, so I got my hair braided again. I just have the braids going all the way to about right here, and then individuals going the rest of the way. And I put these, whatever these accessories are for the hair, in it just to make it look less blah, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got my hair done, and this is gonna be my hairstyle probably for the next month and a half. And then I'm gonna get my natural hair straightened. Yay! Not with no relaxer, y'all, but just straightened with a silk press and get my ends clipped and wear my hair out for about a month. So yay! So anyway, on to today's video. Dollar Tree haul full of name brands, y'all. I even found the Children's Place at the Dollar Tree. Yes, at the Dollar Tree, I found the Children's Place items. Clothes, y'all. So super excited. So I'm gonna just open up the bag and get going. So the first item here, this is just a cookie pan. I needed a new one, so why not? Got a cookie sheet, okay? The next item is actually mine. Is the Fork and Spoon Sesame Beginnings. It's a 2-piece set. Since I have VSG, you're supposed to use smaller utensils like the ones that infants use. So I got this set for me. Don't be judging, but those are mine. I got the Fiery Marvel Avengers because it had Iron Man, and Christian likes to brush his teeth with Iron Man, and it's time for me to change his toothbrush out. So I had to make sure I found one that had Iron Man in the pack. So I got that. I did pick up a pain relief for children. So a children's pain relief. Every time I see them, I do pick one up because you can never have enough you know, pain relievers and cough medicines for the children and even for yourself, because it'll be that one time nobody want to go out and it's cold and people are sick and it's like, oh, so I like to have it on deck. The next thing in this one is this little sewing kit. I got it for the measuring tape that was in it, but the sewing accessories are nice to have as well. So the needles, the thread, the little mini scissors, it's all in here. For Halloween, I got this for the kids baskets. This is the little sticks. They're just light up sticks, and they light up for hours. This is a set of 3. So I got the set of 3 for them, for their baskets for this Halloween. I got this for me and Grace. This is the Sophie brand, just, you know, elastics, and it doesn't have any metal in them because I don't get the ones that have metal. And the reason why I don't get the ones that have metal, because they can mess up your natural hair or any hair period and snug and stuff like that. So I always make sure I get the one without metal. I did find these. This is such a great deal, y'all. If y'all can find this, you need to get it. This is Q-Tex. This is a name brand. And I'm going to be using this on the kids' feet because, like I said, sometimes they feet be ugh. So this is a foot cream. It's a deodorizing foot cream. So I figured I'll use this at night on their feet to see how it works. And it was only $1. Like something like this normally runs about $4.99 and up. So to find it at the Dollar Tree for $1 is a steal. And I got 2 of the all-in-one. I think I got more than this. We'll see as we go. But 2 all-in-one hydration 24-hour Q-Tex hand and cuticle cream. It looks just like that. And I got 2 different ones. One's almond, one's grapefruit. And I think that's a great deal for $1, because you remember we used to go crazy about the Soap and Glory mini ones that was like this, and they were like a little bit smaller and they were $5. So to get these for $1 each, that's a really good deal. So I got that. The next item I got, this is Christmas items, so I gotta hide them from the kids because if they see them, they're gonna take them. I got this for Grace. This is the Trolls Marker Fun Set, and this is for Christian, the Lion King Marker Fun Set. So when you find items like these little stocking stuffers and just filler things, grab them. It's always a good deal to grab them. I do have another Q-Tex item. This is another foot cream, and this foot cream is for me. So I got that one. I did finally find the charcoal infused toothbrush because I have the charcoal infused, well, the charcoal whitening toothpaste. So now I have the charcoal toothbrush to go with. So I cannot wait to use my charcoal toothbrush. I did pick up the cuticle oil when I showed you in one of my videos that they had the cuticle oil from Sassy and Chic. So I got these for Justin. This is the Dove Men and Care Ultra Hydra Cream Face, Hands, and Body. So I got 2 of them for him for those days when he forgets before school to lotion up. I have these on deck, and I'm going to keep one in the car and one in the house for him. I did pick up the silicone facial mask applicator. Can I talk? Applicator. So when I want to give myself an in-home spa, I can give myself an in-home spa day, and I can feel fancy. Plus, look at this. The barrel of this is super, super cute. Like everything about it, I really do like it. So I picked that up from LA Colors. I picked up the glitter gloss. Glitter gloss looks just like this, nothing too special. I picked these up for the car, even though I have 100 of the Paw Patrol ones. I wanted to try these out. These are the Saline Soothers nose wipes. And I thought this would be good as we get into the winter time for the little kids. And it's really good for their nose. And it's just basically saline infused wipes. So I got those. I also picked up this. This is an 8-piece set, and this is the way you can measure, you know, your, what am I saying, your dry items. So I need this, especially with my cooking, since I have VSG and I have to have smaller portions. So when something is like a cup, this is a normal cup size, I don't get a cup size. I usually get about 1/4, and the 1/4 is like this. So that's how much normally I'll have of something. So yeah, that is my measuring cups. I did pick up another Crest 3D White. I got this one for me for when my charcoal toothpaste runs out. And I was hoping they had more charcoal toothpaste, but they didn't. But when they have it, I am going to grab it quick, okay? I picked up the Sassy and Chic. This is just for the nails, the buffer and everything, because y'all know I'm on a natural nail journey and I gotta keep up with my nails looking good. I got this for Grace. This is the Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol, be there on the double. Yes, the oral care kit, because it's time for her to switch out her toothbrush as well. So we're going with Paw Patrol this time around for her. And I also picked up one of my favorite brands of shave cream, the Pure Silk Shave Cream Ultra? No, not Ultra. Ultra sensitive. And it looks just like this, if you guys can see it. Yeah, there it is. And this is the sensitive one. I use all of them. It doesn't matter which one. It's just this one was cute at the time to me because of the packaging. So I picked this one. But I like them all. And I also have a plate in here. They wrapped it so nicely, so nothing could happen to it. But this says grateful, and it's really cute. It's really tiny because I have tinier portions. So I figured I'd put my food on a tiny plate so it doesn't feel like I'm missing out as much. And I'm grateful for the surgery. Honest to God, I am extremely grateful. So that's why I got this plate, and it says grateful. And then the last 2 items I'm super excited about. These are my favorite items, and this was the best deal. I got 2 shirts from the Children's Place at the Dollar Tree. They're from the Children's Place. Got the Children's Place tags on them, y'all. Look at it. Children's Place goes for $10.50. I got this shirt for $1. It's gonna be a kind of day, and it has pizza, video game, and dabbing. And this is for Christian. So I thought this was really cute, and for $1, like, I wish they had more smalls, but that's the only small they had. And this is gonna be a little bit big for Grace because I had to get the 2XL because they didn't have any of her size. But she can wear it as a nightshirt. Normally it runs $10.50, but it was only $1, and it says "Girl Power, Future is Ours." And I thought that was really cute, and this can be a bedtime shirt for her. And for only $1, this is an amazing deal. That's it, guys. That's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. What was your most favorite item? Again, the shirts from the Children's Place for $1. That was my favorite items. That was the steal to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. You get 6 of them, you know, for like $11 minus whatever the discount, once you put in the 10 off 30, is worth it. And the best item though is the banana custard, because this